Honorable Rogelio Bartua, Honorable Nathan Samalaw, Honorable Ezekiel Rodriguez, Honorable Hayati Dugasa, Honorable Dimas Naidi, Honorable Virgil Juricato, Honorable Nerelia Pinos Pacaldo, Honorable Jason Reyes Espino. Madam Presiding Officer, there are 10 members or representatives administration, therefore considered a quorum for the application.
The chair declares a quorum, and there will be no legal opinion.
And from this day forth, we will observe and exercise the proper parliamentary procedures and protocol. Gawin po natin ang lahat para sa kaayusan ng Sangguniang Bayan. Before we formally start, Madam Chair, allow me to read the Bible scripture in Colossians 3:23-24. Whatever you do, work heartily as for the Lord and not for them. For men, knowing that the Lord you will receive the inheritance as your Lord, you are serving the Lord Christ. Purihan sa kanyang salita, sa mga paanan ito sa ating mga buhay. At this juncture, Madam Chair, may I move for the adoption of the order of business in today's regular session. I so move, Madam Chair.
Any objection? There being no objection, then we approve the provisional agenda. Stated here in our this paper.
Madam Chair, we are now on item number 4, reading and consideration of the minutes of the previous session. But before that, Madam Chair, may I move to we defer it because as per looking at our minutes, it's kind of substantial, Madam Chair. Baka pwedeng maiulit po natin ito Mr. Sangguniang Secretary and as well as yung hindi rin niya nakapag-print ng 242nd regular session noong June 24, 2025. I move to defer it, Madam Chair.
Any objection? Hearing none, then we will defer the reading and consideration of the minutes of the previous sessions mentioned by our majority leader.
Madam Chair, we are now on item my privilege hour. There being no one from the body manifested to avail their opportunity for the privilege hour, to close the privilege hour, Madam Chair.
Any objection? Anybody who would like to take the floor? Okay, so we will skip the privilege hour.
Also, Madam Chair, there being no one from the body manifested to avail the question hour, I move to close the question hour, Madam Chair. So move.
Any objection? Hearing none, then the question hour is also closed.
Item number 7, Madam Chair, reading and referrals of proposed measures on finances, resolutions, petitions, letters, and other communications, Madam Chair. This representation would like to direct our secretary to read the referrals one by one.
Item number 1 under first reading, local expenditure program of Barangay Council of Calabon for CY 2025 amounting to 7,628,242 pesos.
Madam Chair, I move that this matter be referred to the Committee on Finance, Budget Appropriations, and Ways and Means chaired by Honorable Nathan Manila, Madam Chair. I so move.
Any objection? This is the first measure is being referred to the Committee on Finance.
Item number 2, a letter from the Municipal Mayor requesting authority to enter into MOA for renewal with various local hospitals located in this municipality for assistance to individuals in crisis situation or IX program.
Madam Chair, I move that the said matter be referred to the Committee on Social Services, Women, Children, Family, Moral Nagkakal, and Bodies Foundation chaired by Honorable Sarah Pinito, Madam Chair. I so move.
Any objection? So this request for authority is referred to the said direction by our
Item number 3, a letter from the Municipal Mayor endorsing the Brooks Point Cultural Development Plan 2023-2028 for the adoption and approval.
I move the said mentioned Madam Chair be referred to the Committee on Tourism, Culture and Arts, chaired by Honorable Starward Madam Chair. I so move.
Any objection? Hearing none, then said measure is referred to the Committee on Tourism, Culture and Arts.
Item number 4, a letter from the Municipal Mayor requesting for the approval of the proposed ordinance establishing the Brooks Point School of Arts and Trade in the municipality of Brooks Point and prescribing its composition, functions, and providing funds therefore.
Madam Chair, I move that the said measure be referred to the Committee on Tourism, Culture and Arts joined with the Committee on Education, joint committee with the Committee on Education, Madam Chair. I so move.
Any objection? Hearing none, then we refer this said proposed ordinance to the two committees.
Item number 5, ordinance number 7, series of 2025 from Barangay Council of Mariñana, an ordinance regulating the use and operations of karaoke machines and similar amplified audio sound devices in Barangay Mariñana, Brooks Point, Palawan, exhibiting penalties for violations thereof.
I move that the said measure, Madam Chair, be referred to the Committee on Rules, Laws, Ethics, Public Order and Governance chaired by Honorable Jada Quezon.
Any objection? Hearing none, then we refer that barangay ordinance to the committees.
Item number 6, another ordinance, number 8, series of 2025 from Barangay Council sa Mariñana. Isang kapasyahan na humihiling sa tanggapan ng punong executibo sa Brooks Point, Palawan na bigyan ng paipulot ng punong barangay ng Mariñana na magpairal sa kanya na sasakupan ang batas na curfew hours sa kadahilanan na naganap noong nakaraan sa kasalukuyang taon.
Madam Chair, I move that the said measure be referred to the same committee chaired by Honorable Jada Quezon.
Any objection? Hearing none, then said barangay ordinance is likewise referred to the same committee.
Item number 7, a letter from the municipal mayor requesting authority to enter into MOU with Philippine Business for Social Progress in partnership with the Mercury Drug Foundation Incorporated relative to the Operation Patubig project aimed at improving access to clean and safe water and underserved communities in Barangay Maris.
I move that this matter to be referred to the Committee on Rules, Madam Chair, also Ethics, Public Order and Good Government. I so move, Madam Chair.
Any objection? Hearing none, then we also refer that measure, the request for authority to enter into MOA, where EBSE, in partnership with the Mercury Drug Foundation, we refer that matter to the Committee on Rules.
Number 8, a letter from municipal mayor requesting for the concurrence of the majority of the Sangguniang Bayan members the appointment of Mr. Edgar P. Lacandaso as municipal administrator and certified as urgent.
I move that the said measure, Madam Chair, be referred to the Committee on Rules, Laws, Ethics, and Public Order and Good Government, Madam Chair. I so move.
Any objection? Hearing none, then we also refer that matter to the Committee on Rules.
Madam Presiding Officer, we have still a communication which was received at this moment. A communication from the municipal mayor requesting the Sangguniang Bayan's consideration authorizing the local chief executive to enter into partnership agreement with the provincial government of Palawan to supporting women and children in especially difficult circumstances through the provisions of essential services like temporary shelter, counseling, and other psychological interventions in Walcati Women's Center of Palawan.
Madam Chair, I move that this matter be referred to the joint Committee on Social Services and Committee on Rules. I so move, Madam Chair.
Another
Okay, we refer this measure to the Committee on Rules, Committee to the Committee on Children with
Yes.
Another communication from the municipal mayor, Madam Presiding Officer, a letter requesting for an authority to enter into MOA with the provincial government of Palawan for the cost sharing scheme intended for Bahay Pag-asa Youth Center.
Bahay Pag-asa. Okay, Madam Chair, I move that this matter be referred to the Committee on Social Services, joint with the Committee on Rules, Madam Chair.
Any objection? Hearing none, then we refer this measure to those two committees mentioned.
Another communication from the municipal mayor requesting the Sangguniang Bayan's consideration for an authority to enter into deed of donation with PCSO for one new inpatient transport vehicle.
Madam Chair, I move that this matter be referred to the Committee on Rules. I so move, Madam Chair.
Any objection? Hearing none, then we refer this matter to the Committee on Rules.
Another communication from the municipal mayor requesting for the amendment of certain sections under Municipal Ordinance number 2025-025 entitled An Ordinance Amending the Monthly and Daily Rate of Job Order and Contract of Service Personnel of the Municipality of Brooksville, Palawan for the correction of the numbering for consistency and clarity as section number 4 appears twice in the sequence.
Madam Chair, I move that this matter be referred to the Committee on Finance, joint with the Committee on Rules, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, we are now on item number 8, committee reports. There being no one from the body will render their committee reports, Madam Chair, move to close the committee report and move to the calendar business. I so move, Madam Chair.
Any objection? Hearing none. Then we also close the item, committee.
Madam Chair, may I move close also the letter A under calendar business and page business, since there will be no one to render their for second reading. And we proceed, Madam Chair, to the business for today for second reading. I so move, Madam Chair.
Any objection? Hearing none. Then we will skip letter A and we will proceed to letter B for the calendar of business.
Madam Chair, under business for today, may we recognize the gentle lady from Poblacion Bohol, our LNA President, Madam Chair.
Also, your objection is recognized.
A pleasant morning to our presiding officer and my colleagues. I have here a request certified urgent by our local chief executive. This request for Sangguniang Bayan's consideration of a resolution authorizing the local chief executive to enter into a deed of donation with Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office or PCSO for 1 million chance for the vehicle. I'm now open for interpretation of the chair.
Any questions with regard to this question? None. Then we proceed to the
A resolution, I move for the adoption of a resolution authorizing the local chief executive, Honorable Cesario R. Benedicto Jr., to enter into and sign a deed of donation with Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office, PCSO, for 1 unit patient transport vehicle. I so move, Madam Chair.
Any objection? Hearing none. Then the request for authority of the local chief executive to the payment of all the PCSO is hereby approved and adopted in its second and final reading.
Another urgent measure from the local chief executive requesting for the concurrence of the appointment of Mr. Edgar Lacandaso as municipal administrator effective July 1, 2025.
Madam Chair, I move to close the period of interpellation.
Period of interpellation is hereby closed. And proceed with the approval of that measure.
At this juncture, Madam Chair, I move for the approval of a resolution concurring Mr. Edgar P. Lacandaso as the municipal administrator of the municipality of Brooks Point.
Any objections? Hearing none. And then the concurrence, not just of the majority, but unanimously of the Sangguniang Bayan of Brooks Point is given to the appointment of Administrator Edgar Lacandaso.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair, and to our majority.
Madam Chair, under business for today, I recognize the gentleman from Barangay Tuto as he will sponsor the measure. I recognize Madam Chair, it's related to that.
Councilor Amilao is recognized.
Thank you, Madam Chair, to the majority.
I have here a letter from our municipal mayor, Cesario Benedicto Jr., and this is certified as urgent. And we are respectfully requesting for the amendment of certain sections under Municipal Ordinance Number 2025-025 titled An Ordinance Amending the Monthly and Daily Rate of a Job Order and the Contract of Service Personnel of the Municipality of Brooks Point, Palawan. There are two sections that we need to amend. First off is the correction of the numbering for the consistency and the clarity, as section number 4 appears twice in the sequence. The second one is the amendments in the following sections. Section number 5, the Development Management Officer, Public Relations Officer, the Municipal Program Officer, Internal Audit Officer, and on section 7, the Municipal Program Coordinator.
Can we furnish us a copy of those proposed amendments? We have a copy of the proposed amendments.
Madam Chair, I look for a 5 minutes recess for us to be able to have a copy ng sa ating material. I move to
Can I move for the adoption, Madam Chair?
There are no more clarification or objection. Any clarification? Hearing none, and we now proceed with approval.
And I move for the adoption of an ordinance amending the monthly and daily rate of job order and contract of service personnel of the Municipality of Brooks Point, Palawan, with the necessary corrections and amendments be approved and adopted.
second.
Any objection? There being none, then the proposed amendments hereby approved and adopted in second and final reading.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you to the Majority Floor Leader as well as my colleagues.
Madam Chair, I move that we proceed now to the unassigned business. So move, Madam Chair. And Madam Chair,
We go proceed to unassigned business.
kindly recognize, Madam Chair, the good councilor from Barangay Fundación Uno as he rendered his sponsored measures, Madam Chair. Kindly recognize.
Councilor Benny, is very good.
Thank you, Mr. Majority Floor Leader, and of course to our Vice Mayor. This is with regards to the matter referred to the Committee on Social Services, Women, Children, Family, Moral Recovery and Values, particularly the request of our local chief executive to enter, or for the renewal of his authority to enter into a MOA with various local hospitals located in this municipality for the AICS program. Madam Chair, we all know that this renewal is necessary for the uninterrupted provision of medical assistance, especially to individuals and indigents who are facing medical emergencies. And upon consolidating to concerned offices, funds are available for this program. So therefore, Madam Chair, I move that this the said matter be considered as urgent and assigned business and be approved immediately.
Yes. So there's a request for urgency. Any objection for this request? Can we now proceed? Councilor Benny.
So therefore, Madam Chair, I move for the approval of the request of the local chief executive to renew his authority to enter into MOA with various local hospitals located in this municipality for the assistance to individuals in crisis situation or AICS program.
Second.
Any objection? Hearing none, then the authority of the local chief executive to enter into MOA with the different hospitals here in Bruce Point is hereby
Thank you. Thank you.
Madam Chair, kindly recognize the LNB President, SB Jana Piacion, for her sponsored measure, Madam Chair.
The President has recognized.
So, what is this? My apologies, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, I have here a request from our local chief executive for consideration of a resolution authorizing our LCE to enter into a memorandum of understanding with Philippine Business for Social Progress, or PBSP, in partnership with Mercury Drug Foundation Incorporated, or MDFI, relative to their Operation Patubig project aimed at improving access to clean and safe water in underserved communities in Barangay Manis. Madam Chair, I move for the urgency.
So here's your request for urgency. Any objection? Hearing none, then your request for urgency is granted. And we will proceed with this measure.
Madam Chair, this representation would like to inform my colleagues that this project will be undertaken by the PBSB and the MDFI. MDFI for Mercury Drug. No? They have a foundation and they will fund the project. The implementers will be the PBSB. And as to the goal of our local government unit, it will assist in the coordination for the site survey and technical assessment, provide the necessary permits for the construction installation of the potable water system and wash facilities, support the project implementing team in their field visits by providing access and security to the site. And also, I would like to mention that this level 2 water system will include the following: development of water source or deep well construction, installation and energization of submersible pump and transmission, installation of 6 community tap stands and 1 tap stand for school, installation of distribution pipelines, refurbishment of existing concrete reservoir, construction of wash facilities including 1 male toilet, 1 female toilet, and 5 faucet-hand washing stations, 4 for adults and 1 for children.
Kindly move for the approval.
Madam Chair and my colleagues, this representation would like to move for the approval of a resolution authorizing the local chief executive to enter into a memorandum of understanding with Philippine Business for Social Progress in partnership with Mercury Drug Foundation Incorporated relative to their Operation Patubig project aimed at improving access to clean and safe, relative to their Operation Patubig project. I so move, Madam Chair.
Any objection? Hearing none, and we also approve the authority of the local chief executive to enter into a MOA with PBSP in partnership with Mercury Drug Foundation Incorporated.
Another motion for urgency, Madam Chair, for a legislative authority being requested by our local chief executive to enter into a memorandum of agreement with the provincial government of Palawan for the cost-sharing scheme intended for Bahay Pag-asa Youth Center. And I would like to inform my colleagues and the presiding officer that the Bahay Pag-asa Center located at Barangay Amas has just recently inaugurated, and it's ready to cater the children in conflict with the law.
So here is another request for urgency.
Yes.
Any objection? Hearing none, then your request for urgency is granted. You may now proceed with the approval of this resolution.
I move for the approval, Madam Chair.
Second.
Any objection? Hearing none, then we also approve the authority of the local chief executive to enter into a partnership agreement
to be third reading, but wala naman po. And Madam Chair, there being no more agendas to be tackled today, I'm moving for the adjournment of our first regular session. So move, Madam Chair.
No announcement.
Wala rin po pala.
Okay, our first.
Yes, I would like to make an announcement for the committee on Barangay Affairs and the Committee on Rules on Thursday morning, Madam Chair. And I would also like to suggest to this body that we include in our internal rules the inclusion of us having a county day, Madam Chair. I think we schedule every Thursday, Madam Chair.
Kindly take note of that proposal, Mr. Secretary, and kindly furnish us a copy of the members of your groups.
And Madam Chair, Madam Chair, you may request that this space, Madam Chair, be utilized as our committee room.
Yes. So we need to furnish it with table and air condition.
But in the meantime, Madam Chair, Madam
Chairs. Yes, Councilor David.
Siguro po, only part of this something yan na mga bago. Matanong na po namin kung meron po bang malapit na for our travel. Kasi baka may travel po yung ECL for election or for our period.
Nag-request ko ng 1 billion for your travel. Alam ko meron pa namang nagtitira. Meron. Pero meron pa.
How much pa? Ano po? Sorry pa. Kada concert po kasi every year po may 200,000 po. Bali po yung 100,000 po nagamit na po ng mga previous po from January to June po. Bali po may another 100,000 pa po from July to December. May available funds pa po. Yes.
Yung bago kasi yung iisip namin.
Meron pa po 100 din po. Yes.
Along you, meron pa remaining na 100,000 each. So nag-request ako ng 1 million sa supplemental budget. And 500,000 para sa period. Meron yung fuel pa meron pa.
Yun po ang hindi ko po masagot po.
Councilor Benito.
So, Madam Chair, I would like to ask what these are set up with regards to the Secretary of Sangguniang.
Right now, ay ibang masasabi, considering na wala pa tayong budget for them. Kung magkaroon tayo ng budget, that's the time na yung mga nandito namin, nandito namin. Kasi at least alam na nila yung kanilang work. At it's up to you kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng reshuffling or sino yung dati yung secretary kung pa rin nag-serve sa inyo.
Gusto ko sila niya.
Except na sa yung secretary ni Councilor Legrada, ni Councilor Calvin.
Madam, sorry.
Yes.
Pwede ba tayo mag-request ng kahit yung portable air conditioner dyan po sa mga office ng secretary, yung hindi na po kailangan butasan yung, sinicirculate niya lang po yung hangin para lumingin sa loob.
Pwede natin. Capital outlay ba yun? Kung kaya
Hindi ko sila
Pwede po. May aircon po kasi dito. Opo. may aircon po dito guys, na supposed, di ba po may aircon po dito na bago po, yung nakatayo po. Nag-request po kasi kami nakaraan kasi po sarap po yung aircon dito. Nag-request po kami kay Engineer Mulak. Ang sabi po ni Engineer Mulak, hindi daw po sila makapag-open ng panibagong bukas kasi hindi pa po nata-turn over itong munisipyo po. Kaya po hindi makapagbukas po ng bagong aircon kasi po magagawa pa po ng bukas po.
Binubutas po ba yung nakatayo?
May kailangan daw po sa labas pa daw po. Tapos po kasi inayos lang po nila yung aircon dito.
So, bali, portable lang.
Okay, hindi ba yung aircon?
Mahina pa rin po. Mahina. Tapos nagloloko na po.
Yung lang po ng deciding officer, hindi po tayo makarequest makapitas. Yung portable ko yung best solution yun. They saksak lang yun. Hindi na kumukuha ng hangin sa labas rotation lang.
Hindi na tayo ng additional funding para sa capital outlay. Sa all, at saka sa chairs, para sa PPP committee.
Madam Chair, wala pa po ako simula.
At saka,
Wala pa po ako nameplate simula po.
may nagkaroon na tayo, nag-request tayo ng nameplate.
May utang kayo sa akin nakaraan ka.
At saka sa Monday, mag-picture na tayo para